Hey, Larry from MarineMax here, and today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2025 Grady-White 325 Freedom. Beautiful dual console with tons of features. We're going to go through this boat here, show you a great video, all the reasons why you should own a Grady-White. This boat is powered by twin 350 horse Yamaha engines, complete with the integrated digital electric steering and controls at the helm with the full maneuverability package. That's the Helm Master joystick, and we have a bow thruster on this boat as well, making it extremely nimble in any docking situation. As I come into the spacious cockpit here, I just wanted to point out a couple things, like our engine flush system. So rather than having to go back to each motor to flush them individually, Grady-White gives you a quick connect that you can pop into this hose connection. Great for people who keep their boat in the water, or maybe in a boat lift. You don't have to climb out onto the transom. Extremely convenient. We also have fresh and raw water hose connections down below here. So you've got garden hose style water connections, as well as a pull-out freshwater shower right back here at the transom as well. You've got a huge fish box here, which is fully insulated. Nice thing about it, no macerator pumps. It drains overboard, hoses out, gets nice and clean. We've got a live well in the port transom corner, which is also fully insulated and can double as a cooler when you want it to. As you can see, we have a nice dive door here on the port side. Makes getting on the boat nice and easy at the dock. This boat's got a nice refrigerator and sink and prep system right here. Great place for entertaining, counter space, freshwater sink as well. Tons of storage with the storage drawers and cabinet right behind me for a trash can as well. As we go into the helm area, what you'll see is a full windshield all the way up to the hardtop. Gives you great weather protection. We've got partial glass on the sides with an isinglass enclosure, which is easily removable. It makes it nice and open and airy. And we've got a power rear seat here in the cockpit that extends out and forms a rear-facing lounger, but it also tucks away to give you lots of space when you're not out there laying out. That's a really neat feature on this Grady-White 325. Also at the helm, we've got a power seat, which will come forward. Also has a flip-up bolster. But what you'll notice is there's tons of space in here, lots of room, plenty of room for twin 16-inch screens, VHF radio, your joystick control system, and the bow thruster, giving you the ultimate in control with this boat. This boat also is equipped with a diesel generator, which provides air conditioning all throughout the day. We've got air-conditioned cockpit space here, and check this out. Look at the size of this head compartment. Steps down, freshwater sink, tons of room, and that compartment is fully air-conditioned. And then we also have a berth in this section right here. There's a fill cushion that goes in to fill this whole space. And this area is air conditioned as well. Great place to get out of the heat, for the kids to take a nap, etc. As we move forward to the bow, you're going to see nice cushions and forward bow seating. The center cushion doubles as a sun pad, and there's also a table base to raise it, so you have a nice table for entertaining as well. At the bow of the boat, we've got a windlass that you can control up there. You'll see the controls just to the right of the anchor locker, and you can also operate it from here at the dash at the helm. Come and see this 325 Freedom at MarineMax in Jax Beach. My name's Larry. You can reach us at 904-545-5310. Thanks for your time and have a great day.